How to add more than 35 pictures on TikTok. So if you want to create a TikTok video that has over 35, 50, or even 100 photos in a single video, then watch this simple tutorial until the very end. And before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. As you know, if you use TikTok templates to make videos, they are very limited. You can use up to 10 or 20 pictures with those. But we want to make videos that have 40, 50 or even 100 photos. So the very first step that you have to do is to go to the Google Play Store if you are on Android or on the App Store if you are on iOS. In here, you want to search for CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app, and we will use it to create our videos. Once you download CapCut on your device, open it, and then create a new project. This will open your photo gallery, so you want to select as many photos and videos as you want. Click on Add right here. And here are our photos and video. I only added 5 photos in my project, but you can add as much as you want. So click on a photo or video, and then make them full screen. And when you select all the media that you need for your video, just click on this arrow in the top right corner to export the video to your photo gallery, and then you can share it on TikTok or Instagram. That is how you can add more than 35 photos to your TikTok videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.